Hello children, today we are going to learn another important city of India. It is Kolkata. Do you know what was the old name of Kolkata? It is Calcutta. Old name was Calcutta and now it is known as Kolkata. And till 1911 Kolkata was the capital of India. Okay children, till 1911 Kolkata was the capital of India. Later it is changed to New Delhi. And it is located in the banks of river Hooghly. Hooghly is a branch of Ganga. Okay, Ganga river. One of the branch is Hooghly, another one is Padma, that is going to Bangladesh. Okay, so in today's class we are going to learn more about Kolkata and its location, okay, climate, language, food, etc. We are going to see in details about Kolkata. Kolkata is a major inland port. Do you know children what you mean by inland port? An inland port is a port on an inland waterway such as river, lake or canal which may or may not be connected to the sea. It is the most important city in eastern India. Earlier, it was known as Calcutta. The British made Kolkata the first capital of India. That means Kolkata was the capital of India till 1911 under the British rule. Okay, what was the first capital of India? Kolkata. Till 1911, Kolkata was the capital of India. Location. Kolkata is located on the banks of the river Hooghly in West Bengal. It is the capital of the state of West Bengal. Okay, in which river bank children? Hooghly river bank. It is a branch of Ganga. Language. The main language of the people of Kolkata is Bengali. What is the main language children? Bengali. Food. Their favorite food is rice and fish. They are fond of sweets like sandesh and rasgulla. What is the favorite food of people of Kolkata children? Rice and fish, and the sweet dish sandesh and rasgulla. Climate. The climate of Kolkata is neither very hot nor very cold. It rains heavily during the rainy season in Kolkata. So it is neither very hot nor very cold. Means they are having a moderate climate. Government. The governor, the chief minister and all other ministers of the state government live in Kolkata. All important state government offices are also located in Kolkata. Famous buildings, places and transport. Kolkata is connected to the sea through river Hooghly. The Howrah Bridge is the most famous attraction of Kolkata. Which is the most famous attraction of Kolkata children? Howrah Bridge. It is different from ordinary bridges. It is supported by iron channels and has no pillars. All other bridges are made with pillars, whereas Howrah Bridge is not having any pillars. It is supported by iron channels. Its new name is Ravindranath Setu. What is the new name of Howrah Bridge, children? Ravindranath Setu. A new bridge called Vidyasagar Setu has been built on the Hooghly River. It connects Howrah and Kolkata. Ship stops at the Diamond Harbour, which is the port of Kolkata. Okay, now name the port of Kolkata. Diamond Harbour. Kolkata has an underground railway system. It is called the Metro. It was the first city in India to have the metro. Which was the first city to have the metro, children? Kolkata. Trams, which run on rails, are the main means of transport in Kolkata. Kolkata is also the only city in our country where trams are in use. Okay, children, I am stopping here today. In the next class, I will explain about the beautiful buildings and places of Kolkata. Thank you.